Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on this package I got today. Can't wait to show y'all what's inside and let's see what's in there. So in this box what we have is going to be the Samsung 1TB 860 series QVO drive. This is going to be a entry-level consumer grade drive, and the chips on there are going to be the QLC NAND chips on there. This will actually have a 3-year limited warranty on that. The other lines that we have for the Samsung drives is going to be the Evo series. The Evo series has a different type of NAND chip inside, and it also has the 5-year warranty. And the top of the line is going to be the Pro series. That one is going to also have the 5-year warranty, and the difference between the three is just the different types of chips that's inside. This one, this QVO, is going to have more of a entry level, and what that basically means is the chips are going to have a more limited durability compared to a Pro. So if you look at this, once again, we've got the 3-year limited warranty on that. And also this drive is going to be in the 2.5-inch SATA form factor. The read speeds and write speeds on this is going to be 550 megabytes per second for the sequential read and 520 for the sequential write. The Evo and also the Pro are going to be just a hair more as far as the read and writes, but it's not going to be that noticeable as far as when you're using every day, running up the drive. What you would pretty much notice on this is going to be more of, as far as durability wise, you will actually have more read and writes uh, during the longer period of time that you're running this drive. These are actually rated for the 1440 TBUs, which is terabytes that's written. So let's open this up and let's see what we have in here. Grab my scissors here. So opening this up, you'll see the packaging is pretty nice. Regular cardboard, full color, and inside what you have is going to be installation guide, warranty information, and then you will have the drive itself. This is pretty much standard Samsung SSD drives. They come in a metal case compared to the cheaper ones that you may find, which only come in a plastic shell. So this whole thing is going to be in a metal. If you look at these compared to the higher level ones, the case itself on those are going to have more color. The Pro is going to basically have that orange, has just a orange or reddish color on the casing, whereas this is more of like a gray scale. So you'll see the screw holes on the side. Once again, this is going to be in a 2.5-inch form factor. And this is the SATA interface, and we've got the the data and also the power pins on here. Bottom is going to have the information for the warranty and also the rating as far as the power wise. And that's all that comes in this package. And stay tuned for my next video for some tests on this SSD, and we'll be able to see what we can do with this drive as far as speed and other features that we have on here. And that concludes my unboxing of the Samsung 1TB 860 series QVO drive. And stay tuned for my next video, and thank you for watching.